This is the database which we have, and to run the B1Bazaar, we supposed to log in first in the database, which is the blank database of SAP B1. Okay, in this, when we start the application of SAP, then we have to, uh, you know, I'm running the exe directly, yeah, and which will ask to create the objects of the B1Bazaar, and in that case, you can say yes. So when we are deploying the B1Bazaar, it will create entire tables first. Uh, Through SLD as well, we can uh, deploy the add-on first on the database, and definitely it will start automatically in that way. Also, the same process will get followed up, and the tables will get created. As in when tables get created, we will get a message of all the tables and fields of the B1Bazaar is got created. So it will take around 20 minutes to create all these fields of the B1Bazaar. So we won't wait for that. We already having another database in that. We have created all the tables here. So now I'm just stopping the SAP B1 from here. Okay, and yeah. So this we have to do first. We have to deploy, and we have to create all tables. Once we get a message that our all tables are created, then there will be, you know, database. I have already the all tables are created. So when we logged in that case, we have to, you know, B1Bazaar will run along with the SAP, and this kind of message will come. So at that point of time, you can see that it will check again the all fields and tables are created or not, and it will take some, you know, time. Yeah, just need to okay, just a moment. We need to wait here. So when this message will come in a moment, so it will ask for the you know, the database credential, where we have to enter the credential of the database, like database user and password we supposed to enter here. Basically, it is checking all the fields got created or not. So in that way, it it takes time, but once this, you know, okay. So this way, you know, we'll get an all detail that all the tables got created. Along with that, One second. So when we do this, at that point of time, already, in this database, there is, I'll go from here actually. In this, we have to enter the database credential. So the database credential is entered. That is why uh, it got the connected directly. But I'm just updating the, like not removing the database credentials. And when the tables all created, if the database credentials are not entered, so how it will show you the message that just I want to showcase you. Okay. So when we logged in, so we supposed to start the B1 Bazaar, or like it will start automatically in the backend. Okay, it cannot be empty. Okay, already it has been updated. That's why it does not come. But generally, it will ask for to enter the database credential as a message. So at that point of time, you're supposed to go here in the setup, and you have to enter the database credentials, and in that the username of the database and the password we have to enter here. Once we do this, it will connect to your database.